Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on REALME GT3. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply expanding our control center. In here we have a few different bars. Of course we are interested in the brightness bar. Everyone knows that whenever you increase it, the brightness increases, and when decreasing, the brightness decreases. It's pretty self-explanatory. But did you know that you can click this icon to enable auto brightness? Well, now you know. And if you want to disable it once again, you can simply click it once again. So of course, if you want to fix your auto brightness, you want to make sure that it's enabled first. Just like that. And if for some reason it's still not working for you, even though it definitely should by now, you can always simply reboot your phone. You can do that by pressing and holding power button, or power button and volume up button if you have changed your shortcuts. So it will restart the phone. And I know that simply rebooting your phone is kind of silly, but it does really help. Whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting your software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are responsible for auto brightness feature and that are responsible for basically detecting brightness around you. So yeah, after performing a nice and quick reboot and disabling and enabling auto brightness, everything should work. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.